Yo, so I wanted to make a video on how to ride because summer's coming up here in Washington. The good weather's coming, so I know a lot of you guys are going to be trying to buy bikes. A lot of you guys are going to be first timers, so I wanted to give you guys the basics on how to ride. Obviously, you're not going to start on 1000. I mean, it's up to you. You can. I started on a 600 R6 way back in the day. So this is my bike right now. It's a 2015 Yamaha R1M. Done a couple things to it. I'm not going to get into that right now. I just want to get the basics of how to ride. So I'm going to give you guys the basics right here. This is the clutch. If you know how to drive like a manual car, it's the same basic concept. This is the brake right here, front brake. Okay, throttle. And then this is the rear brake. And this right here is the shift lever. So if you drive, like I said, if you drive a manual car, you know the clutch and the shift lever go hand in hand. So basically, on a normal sport bike that you're gonna buy, it's gonna be one down for first gear, half click is neutral, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 will be up. On my bike, I have GP shift, so it's reverse. So I have one up is first, half click down is neutral, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is down. So I have a quick shifter, and it makes life a lot easier. But for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and pull in the clutch for you guys to show you how to get out of first and shift into second and all that stuff. So here we go. Alright guys, first things first, you always want to wear gear. I'm squidding today, but that's because I don't live that far from here. I actually live like right down the road. I usually wear full gear when I ride. You've seen that in the past videos, so here we go. So it's in neutral right now. I don't have to hold the clutch in. Some bikes you have to hold the clutch in. Start her up. Here we go. So here's the clutch right here. Up for first gear, and then just release the clutch slowly. So right now I'm just cruising in first gear, just feeling out the clutch. I'm looking where I want to turn. So that's what you want to do first, is get used to releasing the clutch in first gear. That's the most important part. Releasing the clutch slowly and giving a little bit of throttle. And then when I come to a stop, I'll either stop and I'll hold the clutch in, or I'll put it in neutral and I can let go of the clutch. Like this will be for like stoplights and stuff like that. So here we go again. First gear, give it some throttle, and release the clutch. And you're riding. It's as simple as that. And then for second gear, just go down, same thing. Release the clutch slowly, and then turn. There it is. Same thing for third. There you go. That's how you ride a bike. It's very simple. You don't need that much throttle. You see, I'm not giving it that much throttle. And now I'm in neutral and I'm coasting. You see that? I'm gonna put it back in first. I'm gonna stop. Put it in first. Nice and easy. That's it, guys. And now we're riding. Notice how, like, when I turn, I pull in the clutch. Because it's a very, very slow turn. And on those, you want to counter steer. So now I'm on downshift. Whoop, I was upshift. Let's try that again. Here we go. So I'm on downshift from second to third. Or I'm on downshift from second to first. You just pull in the clutch, shift in what gear you want, and that's it. Here we go, here's another turn. It's really easy, really easy. You gotta counter steer. It's like riding a bicycle, only with gears. It's freaking simple, man. Now I'm gonna do some quick shifting. See that? I didn't have to touch the clutch on the quick shifter. And that's what I love about quick shifters, man. And Yamaha has the best quick shifters from the factory. It's just so smooth. And you can pretty much do it in any RPM. It'll shift. No clutch needed. My angle's messing up on the GoPro. Hold on. There's so many bumps here. Alright, let's try that again. First gear. Release the clutch. Oh, hold it, I'm turning. See that? Second gear. Quick shifter. When you're downshifting, you want to release the clutch really, really easily. It's really simple, man. Look at this. And as you get used to it, you can start making turns without the clutch. You just use your body. It's all about body position when you're riding. Here's a sharp turn with the clutch in. A little bit of gas. Release the clutch. First gear, see? You can ride in the parking lot in first gear and you'll be fine. Sharp turn. See that? Simple, man. Now I'm gonna pop it into neutral and just coast to a stop. Boom. Kickstand down. Bike off. See that, guys? It's that simple. Like really, really that simple. It's very easy to ride a bike. Anyway, let's get this bike home.